I think this sense of accomplishment is not just at all the work we've done, but it's actually one of the most fundamental joys of building, that we start with a blank sheet of paper or an empty site and create something new, something that wasn't there before, that people can use and marvel at. This was the first major prototype that we did, and it was intended to test the market for a different approach to multi-storey living. One that was flexible and adaptive and could mesh with the new building processes and systems that we've been developing. The second prototype is much more technical and complex in that it develops a parametric kit of parts for use in multi-storey residential buildings that will improve building process and performance across several areas.
All of the people who were involved are able to know that we appreciate and that literally it couldn't have gone together without you.
It's a fantastic opportunity to collaborate with our research partners on a real project with innovative applied outcomes. This project was a great way to bring to fruition years of working together on research trips, seminars and workshops, as well as on-site and in the factory.
I think we can be extremely proud of what we have achieved, not only as Land Lease, but as Design Make team, in a collaboration with the university, all the efforts we have been putting in building relationships, it all will pay off at the end, and we can be extremely proud of that achievement.
As Daryl Patterson eloquently put it, we could be pessimistic about all of this. This should not eclipse our optimism for an exciting future and all the opportunity that is going to flow in the next few years. And I think we really should ask ourselves, what kind of industry do we want to have? What kind of image of this industry do we want to have? And how will we attract the best and the brightest to building in the future? I think the results of CP16 show that this brighter view of the future is possible, not only theoretically, but practically.